Good morning, all of my friends. I'm Kushnen
I'm Sabir Ansar.
and this is Sabir. And now we are going to do some practice, and we will do practice how to ask question. So let's start.
Yes, first of all, how are you?
I'm fine. And
What is your name?
my name is Kushnen Ansari. And what's your name?
My name is Sabir Ansari.
Yes. And what is your qualification?
I have completed my graduation in commerce in BCom.
Yeah.
But I I have I have to learn English and uh, I learn English towards uh, to do something.
What do you want to say?
मैं अपना इंग्लिश सीखना
You can speak. I will help you. What you want to say? तुम इंग्लिश सीखना चाहता है?
Yes, I want to learn English.
Okay.
Yes.
And
Uh,
you can ask me any question if you have any question.
yes. What does your father do?
My father is a farmer, and my all family is farmer, and I'm also farmer. But right now I'm learning English because English is very important language for me and for you also.
Yes.
And all people, all students, English is a very compulsory language, and if you want to do something you need to learn English. And nowadays I think without learning English you can't do anything. Yes.
Yes.
If you want to do better, you must learn English. Yes. And how many members are there in your family?
There are 6 members in my family.
Okay.
My father, my mother,
Okay.
2 brother and 2 sister,
Okay.
younger sister.
You speak loudly.
Yes.
Yeah. And how many brother and sister do you have?
I have 2 brother and 2 sister.
Okay.
Yes. And what is your hobby?
My hobbies are helping to needy people
Yes.
and planting and gardening also. I love plant any plant. I plant I think not every month, but when I have time I plant some plant.
Yes.
Yes. And which is your native place?
My native village is in Raghunathpur.
Raghunathpur?
Yes.
Where is Raghunathpur? In this country or any other country?
No.
In this country?
Yeah, in this country.
Where? In which state?
In Ranchi.
Bro, Ranchi is not a state. Ranchi is a city.
Jharkhand state.
Okay.
And Ranchi district. In Ranchi district.
Yeah.
And Ranchi district far from.
Yeah.
Far from 40 kilometer.
40 kilometer far from.
Yes.
Yes.
In my village.
Your village 40 kilometers far from Ranchi district.
Yes.
Okay.
And where had you completed your 12th class?
Yes, I have completed my 12th class from SVBB Inter College Chanho Ranchi
Yes.
in 2017. And I want to tell you SVB, what is the full form SVBB.
Yes.
Shahid Bir Budhu Bhagat Inter College Chanho Ranchi. And where had you completed your 12th class?
I'm also SVB
Yeah,
in
not BB.
SVB
Yeah, yeah,
in Ranchi, Chano,
yes.
Ranchi, Jharkhand.
Okay.
Yes.
I think you don't know. I think you don't know your college name.
Yes.
You speak full your college name.
Yes. Shahid Bir Budhu Bhagat Inter College, Chanho, Ranchi.
Okay, that's great.
Yes.
And how many percentage have you got in your 12th class?
I have got 48%.
Yeah.
48, no, 58.
Okay, 58.
Yes, 58% in my 12th class.
Okay.
Yes, because I had to study. That's why I don't have I didn't have the question.
What you want to say? What you want to say? You speak in Hindi. What you want to say? I will help you.
इसलिए मैं ज़्यादा नंबर नहीं ला पाया ना, मैं नहीं पढ़ा था.
You didn't study.
Yes.
You had not studied. That's why you didn't get high marks.
Yes.
Okay.
What is your goal now?
Now my goal is to become a fluent English speaker.
Yes.
And for achieving my goal,
Yes.
now I'm learning English, and
Yes.
I want to become a fluent English speaker. After that, I will do job anywhere, and if I will do job in 1 and 2 years, after that I will open my own coaching classes in English, and I will teach so many students who want to learn English, who want to speak English fluent, and who want to do job anywhere. Because this time, do you know, this time so many students available, and so many students have completed their whole education, but they unable to get job. Do you know what is the reason? This is the reason only for you. They don't know English, and without we can't say we don't know English, but they don't have skill. And if you have skill, and you have completed your whole education,
Yeah.
so you can get job. But nowadays I see most of people have completed their whole education, but they don't have job, because of reason, because they don't know English. And if you know English, so you can survive anywhere, and you can earn money more and more. Yeah. And what are you doing for your do you have any goal?
Yes, I have a goal.
Yeah.
I have some goal, but now
Not some goal. What some goal? बहुत सारे गोल है.
Yes.
So how you can achieve बहुत सारे गोल?
First, my goal, I want to speak fluent speaker.
Yes.
second my goal.
Yes.
I want to visit abroad.
Abroad?
Yes.
Why? For doing married?
No,
So why you will go to abroad?
because I like to abroad.
Okay, you like
Visit,
to abroad.
yes.
You don't like your country, India.
Yes, I like country.
Yes, you
my
like.
India, but I want to visit
Yeah.
any country.
Yeah. Why? What is the reason? Why do you want to go abroad? Have you any proper maqsad? Do you know maqsad? Plan.
I don't plan, but my country is
Your country is not good.
good.
Okay.
My country is good.
So what is the reason you want to go abroad?
Because I want to क्या चल रहा है इसमें
If you want to know about that abroad country, so you can easily know about know on social media. Yeah, social media is also available. YouTube channel available, Instagram, Facebook. You easily get knowledge about that country. So why you need to go abroad only for know about that country? I think this is not satisfying answer. I think your plan is very different. What is your plan?
different.
Yes. What is your plan? Why do you want to go abroad? I think you have any other plan. That's why you want to go. Yeah. Please tell me.
No.
What is your plan?
No. What is the aim of your goal, your life?
What is the aim?
Yes, your life.
Yes, my aim is to. I want to become a professor. Do you know professor?
Yes.
Yes. So first I want to become an assistant professor. Then after that I will become associate professor. After that I will become professor. This is my what you said? Aim. This is my aim. Yes, that is my aim. I will achieve in my life.
And in which college have you completed your graduation?
Graduation.
Yes.
Graduation. I have completed my graduation from Marwadi College, and that college situated in Ranchi, Jharkhand, and that is government college. And if you want to get degree that from that college, you can get degree easily, because that college is a government college, and their fees is very less. And if you are a poor background, so you can go and you can get easily.
Yes.
Yeah. So okay, all of my viewers, if you want to learn something, if you want to start your English journey, so you can connect with him, and we will make a next video tomorrow, because time is going to over. That's why.